What's up YouTubers, it's Wayne and Prem from Mobile Leather Repairs, and after restoration you can see now that the seats are looking absolutely mint. Okay, so what we've done is we've missed that piping completely, which was difficult, I can tell you, but the seats now look absolutely spanking new. Let's go around to the driver's side and have a look here as well. So if we look at the driver's side now, pretty much the same. So all the cracks have gone. We've matched up the colour 100%, and the only thing there are natural creases, which are natural, but no cracks anymore. And this will last quite a long time as well, because we've put a finish on this that's hard wearing and basically brought the seat back to life again. So it's Wayne and Prem from Mobile Leather Repairs, and you can contact us if you see below at www.mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. See you next time.